Okay, I'm finally ready to do my hair. Not really been procrastinating for the longest to do my daggone hair. So, here we go. I'm about to take this off. Take it off. Because I'm ready to take it off. Anyways. Okay, so I do not have another wig cap, so I'm going to use this one that I already have on my head. And, you know, braids from however long ago. So I'm going to get my alcohol. I think it's 70%. And just do a little pre-cleanup of the hairline. Even though I have to do this again. Because look, that dye on that wig is all on my forehead. So, yeah, clean that up. So I can put the got to be glued on there. And lay these edges back. Got to be glued. So now I am about to put on the got to be glued along my hairline so I can lay it down, brush that down. Remember, I need to put some oil on my scalp because it was already kind of dry. So put that cap on. I use a brown cap. I don't understand why some people buy the lighter wig cap and then they put the makeup on it. I don't know, but you could just buy the cap already, the color, you know, save some time. And I don't even have makeup to do all that, and I'm not about to buy some makeup just to do that. So, you know, just buy the color cap already, tan color cap. So I'm using this what you call that thing, Lord, the razor. And because I cannot find my scissors, so yeah, and this was giving me a hard time. Like, that razor was kind of dull. Okay, now that I have finished cutting my holes in my earlobes, I'm going to put on some got to be glued along my hairline and put a scarf on and let that dry. Okay, I'm back. It is all dried and I had to go get me some scissors because this razor was a little too dull and it's not gonna work out. So hopefully it works out. Y'all, I did a great job on this ball cap. This is the first time that it actually is laying down right. The hair ain't beautiful. Okay. Clean this up a little bit. Oh no, this little tab lifting. It'll be okay. Because my hair is still covered. So this side is better than this side, but oh well. Now I'm gonna hit it with the alcohol again. Get all this sticky stuff. So I didn't try it on before and I thought I had a big head, but apparently I don't because, or I just got a big cap because like right here, where this sign and everything is literally where my ear is, and I don't know. I know Usually when the lace is on my skin, it makes it really itchy. So, oh, if I cut all that off, it literally hits right on. Huh. Yeah, so I guess I'm gonna have to cut literally right under. Okay, let's see what happens when I do that. Where does scissors just go? This is my first time ever wearing a wig. Oh, excuse me, a good quality wig. So it's going to be trial and error. Hopefully no error. Okay, let's see how I did. Oh, I did the wrong side. Oh, wait, let's try it out. Because this same thing applied to the other side. Oh, wait, no, I didn't. Oh, no, I did the right side. Okay, cool. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. In there. Let me see. Scoot it back. Just a little bit. Yep, that's comfortable. Right there. Let me hit on just right. Okay, now let's do the other side. Let's try it out. It should be right on. Yep. It literally just sits in a good spot. And then I don't know if I want to. Yeah, we might just go ahead and glue it down. So it looks like literally right above where my cap is. It's literally where man, I couldn't have did this any better. Like this literally goes right away. How this cap on? Bad. So I seen people cut it down the middle and then work on section and section. I don't know what I want to do. So I just put it on there all at one time and it'd be over with. I'm gonna try one time and be over it because over it. I'm gonna need this. Gonna be using the bow hold from the beauty supply store. Hopefully this is the real version of bow hold because I didn't heard that they sell fake bow hold, but it's been doing me fine. But like I said, I hope this is the real one. Okay, now I'm going to got to be glued along my hairline and then smooth it out with that rat tail comb. And then I'm gonna use my fan, my good little fan that I got from Aldi's. You know what I'm saying? We don't shop at Aldi's. We need to go check them out because, yeah, in their section, you don't ever, they going here today, going to the wrong section, you gonna find some good stuff. Just let you know that. So let that dry, put that second coat on, and let that one dry. Now I'm trying to cut it or get it down the middle so I can cut it. It helped me when I put it on. I put some spray got to be glued to hold down those flyaways in the front. Pretty cool. Spray that in the hallway because that jump's strong. So here I'm putting the clips on so the hair doesn't be in my way or stick on the glue. So I'm lining it up. Line that up. Now come on, get that other side in. This side wanted to be stupid, so I had to lift that side back up because it wasn't lining up and it wasn't looking right. Thank God it wasn't melted in there all the way yet. So readjusted that, made that a little better. Looking good. Here I'm doing a fill down, I guess you can call it. Trying to get it right because they had some, I don't even know what it was. It looked like some clips so you can clip another wig cap. Well, not wig cap, wig pulling string. It's in the way on my ears right there, and I was trying to get that figured out. And yeah, once I got that figured out, I'll put the clip back so I can go ahead and cut. Was gonna use those scissors, and I was like, I don't want a straight line, so let me get my dull little razor back and attempt to cut it off, and it worked very much well. Okay, now it's like I need to put some more glue around the hairline because I thought I did it right. I didn't. And I'm most definitely gonna have to pluck this because it's looking real George Washington. Real George Washington. Alright, let's go ahead and get this laid down in the front. So now I'm just gonna put some of that got to be glue on the top of my rat tail comb to help me put it on there and then lay that out. So I think my problem is I got it too pulled far up. I got it too pulled up on this side because from here to here it's not that far, but on this side it's further. Yeah. So just like I most definitely will be having this hard part and it'll be on this way because it just looks better on this side. I did it right on this side for sure. So it's something to be noted for next time when I do this. You know, you got to start somewhere. I see now that I have entirely too much near my earlobes. I should have cut that, but I really didn't want to cut it. No, it's not that I didn't want to cut it. As I told y'all, it was like something right there for the strap clip or something, and it was in my way, so I didn't cut it. But I see I should have. I really do not feel like touching this thing right now. It's going smooth. But I got to if I'm going to want to wear it back or something, you know, or I can just finesse it for the moment because I really don't feel like doing no type of styling right now. At all. Put a little body pin right there. Had that, and then, you know, boom, boom, boom. Look good to me. Put some lashes on and keep it pushing because, like I said, I'm not in the mood to do that right now. But it looks good to me. Yeah, all right. Well, I think I'm going to go ahead and end this video right here. And I will style it at a later date because it's almost time for me to go anyway. So, okay, so I want to come in here and show you, you know, how I said I was not about to clean it up or anything. I'm just about to, yeah, because I wasn't doing all that. So I still haven't done any of that. I just used my curler wand and flattened the top down. And, you know, just let it do what it do, you know? Because, yeah. Just want to come on and show you that. Because it does look a lot better just doing that one simple thing.